there's very little question as to who's going to come out on top of this Nevada caucus late tonight.
Well, there's a lot of attention. I'm actually right now at Reno Guns and Range, and I've put myself here because, as you'll see over my shoulder here, there's lots of folks here who believe that the Second Amendment in this country is under attack. And they say that a short distance away, late today, Donald Trump about protecting the Second Amendment. All the Republicans support protecting the Second Amendment. Donald Trump has said in speeches he supports the First Amendment. He supports the Second Amendment. It's a large swell, a large from the crowd says that. As we look at Donald Trump has been doing, Donald Trump has been focusing on Jeb Bush now. He's focusing on Ted Cruz, saying in a tweet earlier today, wow, was Ted Cruz disappointing his very capable director? He used him as a scapegoat, fired like a dog. Talking about the fact that Ted Cruz has fired his spokesman. We're probably going to get a lot more later today.
Well, Kerry, I'm afraid we could not hear most of that because the firepower was a little bit too great. Sorry, we didn't know you were going to be there today, and we didn't mean to interrupt that.